Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the YouTube network error on your Samsung Smart TV quickly and easily. Follow these steps one by one until the problem is solved. First, let's restart YouTube. Press the home button on your remote, close the YouTube app completely, and then open it again. Next, restart your Samsung TV. Hold the power button on the remote until the TV turns off and back on. This refreshes the system and clears temporary glitches. Now, let's check your internet connection. Go to Settings, General Network, Network Status. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If the connection looks unstable, reset the network settings. Go to Settings, General Network, Reset Network, and reconnect your Wi-Fi. Then, update the YouTube app. Open the Apps section, find YouTube, and check if an update button is available. Also, update your Samsung TV software. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, Update Now. Updates often fix app errors. Finally, reinstall YouTube. If nothing works, uninstall the YouTube app, restart the TV, and reinstall it from the Samsung App Store. That's it. These steps should fix the YouTube network error on your Samsung Smart TV. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.